Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and today I'm bringing you more risque sound effects. So today I'm going to be bringing you more female sex noises. So if you're doing a film with, the female sex in, then you can use this free sound effect. So I'll play it now. Oh, do you want to go into the city later? Meet our other girly girlfriends? Maybe do some shopping? And maybe later we can go have a drinks? Go on out on the town. If we see Tyler, I'm gonna slap him silly because he's such a douche. Tyler is such a douche. So hope you find that useful. Thanks for watching. Cheers.